Hey guys, I'm A.
And I'm Jay, and welcome to A&J Vlogs. In today's video, we're going to be showing you Andrea packing to go to Mexico. Because she's leaving.
Yeah guys, I'm leaving for 2 weeks this Sunday.
She's going to be leaving me for 2 weeks.
Yeah, and we're going to be showing you what I'm going to be packing. Not everything, because obviously I'm not going to show them some things that I'm going to be packing. But, yeah.
So let's start packing.
Okay, so we're going to start off with my clothes. Hold on, let me take off these little price tags.
What are those, joggers?
Yeah. They're joggers or sweatpants.
Oh yeah, take the tiquetes off because
they might think that I'm trying to sell these shoes.
Yeah.
Like, no, girl. Why would I just sell one? Like, I will bring hella pairs. I wouldn't just bring one. Like, oh, people. I swear.
Mind the mess, guys.
Yes.
Because she's packing.
This is like everything that I think I'm gonna take.
And she still has more stuff.
For real. It's not big.
Look, she's gonna take all those shoes.
Some slides.
Oh yeah, take some slides. For when you need to go to the restroom, or like you have to like get up quick or something.
Follow me. So this is what I bought today. I needed jeans or some shorts, and I bought some black jeans. They're like, they almost feel as leggings, but they're not leggings. They're jeggings. Okay, I got these at Old Navy. And then these are the pants that I got today. I'm packing everything, the new things first, and then the old things. Yeah. Oh, me.
Are these your new shoes?
Huh?
You're gonna take them too?
I'm gonna take those.
Ooh,
I'm gonna wear them like when.
Look at her new shoes.
When I'm gonna be at the store or something.
Oh, that's good.
So I won't get them dirty, cause they're.
Oh yeah, you have to be careful because if they get dirty.
And then when I come back to Mexico, I'm getting the new Jordan 12s that came out this Saturday. And I told my coworkers, I was like, I'm gonna get. If we get them in grade school, I'm for sure gonna get them.
Yeah, you can get them for school.
Yeah. Oh, my socks. I'm gonna take. I got some Nike socks because I don't have Nike socks like this. I think they're ankle socks. I bought the black ones and the white ones. I might drop.
Fresh.
And then I got these Champion ones. These are like.
Oh, they're the long ones.
Yeah, they make my calves look freaking huge.
Oh, I like the gray ones.
Yeah, I like the gray ones too. And then they look the black
neat.
ones. I already wore the black ones already.
The gray ones are
wearing the new stuff that I got is me. My dad was like, "You already gonna put it on?" I was like, "Yeah, already." This is also new. I got this sport bra. Cause girl got big boobs and she needs the lift.
Oh, me.
It lifts them up actually, not for that. And I got this dress.
Oh, it's a simple dress.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear it with my my slides. They're sandals. They're like glittery sandals.
Yeah, then it's gonna be hot over there, so.
Well, my uncle said that it was cold.
Oh.
So
it's gonna be cold in the night and then hot in the mornings.
Mhm. And okay, now I'm gonna go to my closet. Okay, moving on to my closet. Can't open it that much because my dirty clothes. I'm gonna take this dress. What is this?
Is it a long dress?
Yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna take this shit too. I'm gonna take this big ass sweater. This other, no, I don't want that. This other big sweater. Oh, shit. Hey. I'm gonna take this shirt. Get it in. I'm falling over here. This other. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna do it part by part. Hey. Okay. Let's start off with. Oh, this is, look. I was gonna wear this for my for what is it? Father's Day? No. When we went to my grandparents' house.
It was Father's Day.
I was gonna wear this, but I didn't. I just decided not to change. But it's a long dress too. It's black. Makes my curves look good. Which I was thinking about wearing it with those sandals, but I don't know.
Oh yeah, so mira bien.
That was the one I wore for my birthday.
Oh yeah, are you gonna take it?
Yeah. Grand, cause I don't have shirts. I see like so I can wear, just to wear. Oh, I don't know how to pack. I already took this shirt, so I can't take it again. They already saw me in it.
Oh, they did.
I want to take this bodysuit I got at my job, the Nike, but it's like gives me a freaking wedgie. Like, look how.
Yeah.
Like, bro.
Are you gonna take it or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna wear it. Probably not, but I'm just gonna take it just to have an option.
Just in case.
Yeah, because I'm going for 2 weeks and I do not have that many clothes to wear for the 2 weeks. Since they say that it's cold outside, I'm gonna take this big hoodie. I got awesome at my job, buy one get one free. It makes me look fat, but like I'm only gonna wear it in my house, you know, or when it rains. But I don't care. I mean, okay, now the other. That's a hoodie, but what is this? A crew neck?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna let my dad borrow this one because this one actually makes me like this is really big. Like the hoodie is big, but this is big. Like what? And then like they're so thick that it takes up. You know?
It's cause that's why.
Yeah.
It's cause sweaters take up space.
And it's the summer. I mean, it's hot, but then it rains a lot.
Yeah, if it's raining, it's gonna be cold.
Nah, I'm probably not gonna wear this one either because you could see like my little like armpits, like shit. You could see like, well, I'm fat, so so like you could see my whole armpit and shit.
I mean,
Like, I guess.
just in case.
Yeah, just in case. And this one, I'm literally gonna take it just in case because it has a stain.
You stained it already?
Yeah, it was coffee from Starbucks. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
and
no.
Nunca se quitó, so I was like.
Yeah, it's because
Not
coffee
even,
stains.
Not even with
Yeah.
Not even with the jabón sote, like no.
Yeah. Coffee stains and ketchup stains and chocolate stains, no.
Girl,
It's really hard for them to take off. And blood stains too.
Should I take this skirt? I want to take it just in case there's like a baile or something.
Yeah, I think you should, just in case. Because, you know, ahí bailes 24/7.
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to take this one. I like this one. I'm going to take these shorts too. I'm going to take my jean jacket. Dang.
You take your whole closet.
I pretty much am. I'm going to take this little sweater, the one that I got at Burlington.
Oh, yeah, you should. You should
I
take
don't know
it
what
that
I'm going
one.
to pair it with, but I'll see. And then, I'm going to take one of my jeans for boots. Just one, because, girl, let's be honest. Is there going to be parties? No, probably not.
No, but you can wear that el domingo. On Sundays.
Oh, I was going to wear this one. The one that I wore for Melissa's graduation.
Oh, yeah, you should. El domingo, you should wear that.
Yep. What is this, the cardigan?
Oh, yeah, be careful, because it gets stuck in there.
God. You know what? I'm just going to take this off.
Yeah, just take it off just in case, because you don't want to rip your stuff.
They saw me in this jean jacket, but honestly, how are they gonna know this is the same jean jacket? Like, come on.
Huh.
Come on, now. And these shorts are old, but I'm gonna take them because I don't have nothing to wear with them. And this shirt. I love this shirt. Like, it makes my boobs come out a little bit, but like, I like it. I'm gonna take this one too, even though it's kind of see-through.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
You should.
And I never worn it. I bought it over a year ago and I never wore it. This one and the pink one. I've never worn it. That one's too. No, this one. Oh shit. No. This one. I'm gonna take it too, just in case. But am I gonna wear it? Probably not anymore. But. And then these jeans. Shit. Which. I'm just cracking.
Oh, me. It's already getting full. And she still needs her shoes.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about. The white one and the pink one.
Oh, yeah. You're going to take both?
Yes. I'm most likely going to wear this one, though. Because the white one's kind of more see-through.
Yeah. Oh, está bien.
I want to take this dress that I bought for my cousin's graduation. It's cute, whatever.
Yeah, you should take it. My mom is me.
Ugh.
It's okay.
Me. I'm gonna take my straightener. Oh no, it's this one. I'm gonna take my straightener, probably like this. My curling iron like this. Well, guys, this is it. Like I said, I'm not gonna show everything I'm gonna take because I am gonna take some personal stuff. But yeah, and I still have to
pack more stuff.
Yes.
But another
bag because this is
it's already full.
Yeah. I mean, it's more stuff can fit, but that's gonna be
for right now because then it's gonna be heavy. Andrea's Orbeez. I like putting my finger in there. My fingers. Well, guys, this is the end of our vlog. Hope you liked it.
Please like and subscribe.
And follow us on Instagram.